Satan recruit uno and Satan know who he set uno upon. Uno, devil worker, uno always see people success before them because uno they look. Put out content where your grandkids can come look on. You can't do that. Because you don't have nothing in your mouth more than sanitary pad. Because I know say you are sending messaging on my phone. Because I know you're verbal or you chat. And you're the same way or you talk as you write. I send no messaging on my phone. Marcia Campbell, you may talk. Don't send no messaging on my phone. Because me you don't have no beef. You don't know nothing about me. I must not see curse with the pound and that's what church now soon. That's in church. I don't think a other man want to see you the other entire of you. If other men want to see you, all the kind of people them you the 8 pan, they don't obey them already. But you know see what God do? God is showing up one, me see one big one. What went buy down a cake and send it go get the other witch over there so. God show him up. And he have it shot. And say him buy down a cake and send go get the other witch. God is showing up one. I don't know sit down and do a purge from people. Purge from God people them. I don't fight my own battle. Oh, God fight my battle for me. Everybody for over your side, they eat people. They 8 people with you. Where? You don't can't recruit me. Because I know clean people when I see them. So I don't need to go seek Jesus. Because the devil not work for no more. So I don't need to go keep church service on a page. And see if you can save some soul. Because you have some angry soul if you have a uno. I never see you in your house just yet. They sweep out your house. Or they vacuum. And you have puss. I never see you they clean. I never see you do one towel wrap around you so you go bathe. I never see you do one toothbrush like you just finished brush your teeth. But I see you then name. I see the cuss people and I hate people. A bad mind spirit can't mesh with mine. And for a long time I don't like Kuno. For my ear short. I don't like Kuno. I don't like Kuno. Lorraine Brown, Marcia Campbell, Tina Chin, the woman over England, whatever she name. I don't like no. Because we're haters. You know, can't send me message, you know. Run up in a minute. I have said it. You don't see what I see in my inbox. I'm in trouble this woman. You don't see it. You don't see me over here, so every day, you know, come over here, so I don't look, I don't see me. I am not even calling these people name. Me not call their name. Me no in nothing with them. What she take up herself, they send me message. 3 different phones. They send me message. 3 different phones. I only choose to post that message, but not that alone me get. But me now put all them nastiness there where they come out of the woman's mouth. You don't see what me post on my page. You don't see what she sending on my private phone. You don't see what she sending on my phone, but you don't hear what me I say. Because she don't come up front and do what she do. And she don't come under my comment section here, so come comment. She's watching. She's watching. And in my inbox, in my phone. Why she not comment right there so I couldn't see what she capable of doing? Because she knows say me maybe now go post all that mess on my Facebook page, but I post that one this morning. Anybody will hate on my husband and my witch. Only the broom then they wait for the third flyer. And me I look for Uno, me I look for Iron Belly. They pass over the place with the broom Halloween. Me and look. And tell me say remember say me drive. Go tell her say if you remember say she have a grandchild. What she the curse? Go and go tell her that. Because children inherit the fuckery what them parents do. So go remind her that she have a grandchild that is gonna suffer the consequences of her wrongdoings. And that if you go tell her say. I tell you if you go tell her say, if she wants her grandchild and her children, her son, to be successful like my children, and she did knock mouth on, she fit up cuss people because mother and father suck the sour grape and set the children teeth on edge. Uno big duff the hard woman where they cuss people, they set destruction on no pitney them, and when they come up, then turn worthless. Uno say people they obey upon them. Uno, what uno do to people, the reaction they take on a pitney and a pitney. Uno need to live good. Uno need to live good. Try to live good with yourself. Don't try to live good with nobody. Try to live good with yourself. Me know uno look in the mirror, uno hate to yourself bad. And sure uno hate to yourself. Uno they come hate from people. Uno can't hate from God people them. The woman can't even look upon the world properly. She can't even look on society properly. The way she curse. The way she curse. Me bless and blood up my pitney them on a daily basis. As they break and if you get up gonna then walk. Me make sure me send them then good, nice, clean prayer. And me down me yard, me pray, me go in my bathroom and me and my husband pray and cover my children and man the anointed blood of Jesus Christ. And me I do that for a long time. Someone will come over here so they can comment now and they can chat shit. You don't need to go and tell a woman say she should make a foundation for her children and her grandchildren. Why she a curse her child, her grandchild, before the pitney even can walk? Why she a curse the pitney? Because all you're doing is heaping up fire on your own head. And when you die, your children and your grandchildren is going to inherit the mess that you created on earth. I'm setting a foundation for my children over here. What you doing? You make up big rock for your grandpitney. No, say wickedness on up on earth. Uno children them inherit. No, that. Uno sit down and uno generation do it, and uno inherit it, and uno come they do it, for uno pitney them inherit. Change the curse, man. Go change the family curse where you have for you. Dump in a pit of hell and do something positive, so your grandpitney can be a successful person. But you reap one whole heap of evil put on for inherit. Mad people always look good. Go on go your menopause, man. Because uno menopause upon uno no understand what they go on in our own head. That's why uno the box like a dog. Uno not remember to brush on teeth. Not even the member for brush on own teeth. Not the member for go a doctor and dentist. Cool no mouth. Cool no look. Eh? Uno younger than me, you know? Uno younger than me. So uno feel look better than me. Uno only have one pitney and two pitney, so uno feel look better than me and five pitney come out of the body here. Uno think I make foreign done for uno? I know me make foreign done for uno, you know? I know me make uno last and can't find uno way. Uno leave we alone over here. You need blood coverage. You think Satan recruit uno, Satan recruit uno, and Satan know who he set uno upon. Uno, devil worker, uno always see people success before them because uno they look. Put out content where your grandkids can come look on. You can't do that. Because you not have nothing in your mouth more than sanitary pad. Stay free. and baby diaper. That's all you have in your mouth. Get up every day they cuss people when I know you. I don't know you, woman. And I don't want to know you. I bet if you keep a party now and they give you everything for free, nobody still not come. Because your big crowd where you have back of you, they're haters too. They're haters too. Come and know say you are send messaging on my phone. Come and know your verbal or your chat. And your this the same way or you talk as you write. So me know say you. If you even have freebies they give you, nobody no want to see. They not come. Get up every day they send me message. My husband now look no woman. And me now look no woman. Thank you, my dear. So stop look over here. Go show it in your place. And stop turning your camera up and picture. Go clean, man. Go take up broom. I never see you yet without broom. I never see you in one house just yet and you say you clean. Go clean, man. Go clean. Go clean, man.